Hi boys and girls, it's another e-learning day, and today we are going to work on our addition problems. Now, just as a reminder, when we do addition, that means that we're taking two groups or two numbers and we're putting them together to get the total. Now, when you do addition, there are two signs you have to look for. This is your addition sign, and we call it a plus. And you also have your equal sign, which means the total. Now, when we do our addition problems, we can use objects like circles. So there's one group, so we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3 circles. So I write the number 3. So then my other group, I can make another group of circles and we count them. 1, 2 circles. So you write the number 2. Now remember, we talked about that sign that you put in there to show that you want to put the numbers together, your addition sign or your plus sign. So when you see this, you know that you're going to take the two groups or the two numbers and you're going to combine them to get a new total. So after these, we have what's called our equal sign. Now to find out the new total, all you have to do is you have to count how many you have all together. So you count both groups together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So we write the number 5. So now when we read this problem, we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you read that with me? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, so let's do another one. All right, so this time we don't have to use circles every time. We can use different shapes. You can use different things you have around your house. If you have race cars or Barbie dolls or pretend food, you can use anything you want to do these addition problems. So this time I'm going to use, let's do triangles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles for my first group. So I'm going to write the number 4. So then for my next group, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 triangles, so I write the number 3. I'm going to put in my addition sign or my plus sign. And when I see that symbol, it means that we're putting the numbers or the groups together to get a new total with your equal sign. Now you count how many you have all together. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangles all together. So when we read this, we say 4 plus 3 equals 7. Read that with me. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now you can either use drawings, objects, just the numbers to figure out these problems. You can also use your hands if you want. So for our first problem, we have 3 plus 2. If you want to use your fingers, you can hold up 3 on one hand and 2 on another. And then remember, addition means you're putting them together. So now you count how many you have up all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the same answer. So 3 plus 2 more equals 5. For the one we just did, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. And if it's addition, we're putting them together. And we're going to see what our answer is all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we come up with the same answer. You can do whichever way is easier for you. But in your e-learning journal, I would like for you to solve the following problems with a brother or sister, mom, dad, grandma, some adult. But I want you to solve these in your journal and I want you to show me how you get it. So that means draw me a picture to show me how you're counting these all together. We're only going to do 3 problems. So your first one I want you to show me 3 plus 3. For number 2, we're going to do 5 plus 2. And for your third one, we're going to make this one a little bit harder. We're going to do 6 plus 3. Now when you solve these, don't forget to show your work and write out your problems. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.